Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So this is a general reading on what the universe is guiding you about, but this is not for everyone. It is for anyone who is born on the 1st, 19th, 13th, 28th, 19th, also the people born on 31st. So this is a reading for them. Also, if you're wearing black color or you're wearing gray color, also yellow and dark shade of maroon. So it's a general reading. Take it only if it resonates. Write in the comment section Unstoppable, because this is the song I'm hearing since morning. So okay. So a lot of people over here were trying to make balance in respect to money or maybe a situation, but you're being told that many new opportunities are coming to your way. You just need to be practical. ठीक है, तो हो सकता है कि आपकी तरफ बहुत सारी आप बहुत टाइम से कोई ऐसा बैलेंस बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हो मॉनेटरी फाइनेंशियली, जहाँ पे इट्स लाइक आपसे बैलेंस बन नहीं रहा था, वी कैन से, एंड इट वाज मोर लाइक you were struggling with it. Okay, we can say that you were struggling with it. And yeah, see, monetary opportunities. Okay, so see, oh my god, I can't believe this. So you were trying to make balance in money. आपको कोई financial या तो आपको ऐसा हो रहा था कि either you were in a lot of debt or there was a lot of monetary issues in your life or your family or somewhere. तो आप बहुत बैलेंस बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, बट वो बैलेंस आपसे बन नहीं रहा था, बिकॉज इफ दिस कार्ड वॉज स्ट्रेट आई वुड से कि आप बैलेंस बना रहे हो, बट इट्स लाइक आप बना रहे हो बट वो बन नहीं रहा है. बट यू आर बीइंग टोल्ड दैट अ लॉट ऑफ न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज आर कमिंग टू योर वे, एंड दीज आर ऑल फाइनेंशियल अपॉर्चुनिटीज, ऑल्सो अपॉर्चुनिटी इन लव फॉर सम ऑफ यू. अगर आप अपनी लव लाइफ में बैलेंस बनाने की कोशिश करें तो दिस द कार्ड दैट there's a lot of new beginnings, and all these three cards show a lot of new beginnings, and these two specifically focus on the pentacles, which is monetary and financial benefits. So you are being told to be disciplined. अगर आप कुछ कर रहे थे जिसमें आपको उतना बेनिफिट नहीं हो रहा था, so you are being told कि इसको आप अच्छे से कीजिए, stay disciplined, focus on it and you will achieve it. अगर आपका ऐसा लग रहा था कि I have tried so hard, I tried doing everything, yeah, see. So at the end, there is a lot of celebrations, a lot of achievements, and a lot of financial gains, a lot of saving opportunities as well. All you need to do is be disciplined, okay? Focus on it. Don't give up. The moral of the story is that don't give up. So you're getting a lot of new opportunity on your way. Also, ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि आपके घर में कोई celebration हो, कुछ something of that sort as well. Yeah. This card denotes that आप ये जो भी आपका फेज था जिसमें आप फाइनेंशियली परेशान थे, स्ट्रगल कर रहे थे, बैलेंस बना रहे थे, आप इस फेज से बाहर निकल रहे हैं. या सो यू आर बीइंग टोल्ड टू कीप पुटिंग योर एफर्ट्स. ठीक है, डिसिप्लिन में रहो, कीप पुटिंग योर एफर्ट्स एंड यू विल अकम्प्लिश ऑल दिस. जो भी आपको फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज आ रहे थे, दे आर अबाउट टू गेट सॉर्ट. यू आर मूविंग टू अ गुड फेज, बट ऑल इट रिक्वायर्स इज a lot of efforts and a lot of discipline. Not giving up is what will lead you to these financial opportunities. So bye bye, take care. And this also resonated with the song that I said that I'm unstoppable. You have put a lot of efforts and still you are unstoppable. You are gonna become unstoppable. There's a lot of financial gains coming for you in the coming weeks. So yes, just go for it. Don't give up. That's what I can say. Have a nice day. Bye bye.